did not want to miss our 20s and 30s. So why should we be missing out on our 40s and 50s? We should be behaving like we have to stop looking from the eyes of the people who do not really value themselves.
I think I want to not color my hair, but I just don't have the courage. And I asked this question to many women my age, and we all have a courage problem. How do you get the courage?
I think it's discipline. You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your appearance. You have to not look good, but feel good all the time. A lot of friends, a lot of my friends, we joke around and मुझे बोलते हैं कि beauty है तो beauty. I say नहीं, मैं beauty हूँ. Beauty with a D, which is buddhi and beautiful.
That's really nice. Yeah. So women color their hair in their 60s, even 70s. And what made you embrace not coloring, not dyeing?
I think I've met myself way too early in life. It's a very philosophical kind of an answer. But what I'd like to say is that I did not allow or give permission to the youth-obsessed society to fit me in a box and make me realize my worth. We have to stop looking from the eyes of the people who do not really value themselves, because they value themselves so little that they want to push their own thoughts on you. This is not right, this is not the way, you look old, you look young. It's very important for you to know your worth. Aging or graying is a very universal experience.
Absolutely.
And I think we all should enjoy it.
So, I think I want to not color my hair, but I just don't have the courage. And I asked this question to many women my age, and we all have a courage problem. How do you get the courage?
I would like to ask you, why don't you have the courage?
I just feel
What's stopping you?
I just feel maybe I'll look very old and people will think I'm very old. I don't know. But you don't. You look amazing.
You look as how you think. If you think you look old, you will look old. You don't have to think that you're looking old. I read somewhere, बड़ी अच्छी line थी एक कि we did not want to miss our 20s and 30s. So why should we be missing out on our 40s and 50s? We should be behaving like
that's beautiful.
We should be in our 40s and 50s and living that experience. I think gray hair is the most prettiest feature that you have on your face. So you should just embrace it.
Wow. So you are in a profession where you have to look good on command. So what are the days that you do, maybe 2-3 things on your shoot days or event days? How do you look good on those days?
I have been raised in a family where I think looking good was always a big option or a big priority or a criteria. I think it's discipline. You have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your appearance. You have to not look good, but feel good all the time. So I think there are no 2 tips that I do specifically on the days of when I'm shooting or when I have to attend an event. But it's a habit, it's a discipline that I follow of taking care of myself every day.
So like what? Splash water on the face every morning?
It's basic routine that you do, taking care of your hair. Like I blow dry my hair every day. Okay, I wash my hair every day. I have to style it every day. I look good, I feel good, and then it reflects on my thoughts and behavior and all of that. My skincare routine I follow religiously, morning routine and evening routine. We all know that we are aging. We all have to accept the fact, but we can't reverse it, we can't stop it. But what is it that we can do is to take care of it, what we have right now. And that's what I do.
So, Geetaarsh, I have those bloated days, and then I have those days when my hair looks terrible. Or there is so many days when you just don't feel that you look okay. So what is that one must have in your wardrobe to kind of hide all your imperfections?
There is only one thing that you need to carry within, whether it's in your wardrobe or whether when you're packing your suitcase, it's confidence. You really don't have to have a must-go outfit for specific days. I understand we as women have these days of bloating and maybe bad hair days and oily days and bad skin and all of that. But that shouldn't stop us from, I'm a very big person on self-love. So it shouldn't stop us from feeling dull. And I think confidence is the only thing that you need to carry. You can carry those yellow shoes, you can carry those funky glasses, you can carry anything and everything if you have the confidence.
So, Geetarsh, whenever you're stepping out, you have a personal style which is like so amazing. So, give some tips to my viewers here. How does one actually get to their personal style?
आई थिंक आइडेंटिफाइंग योर पर्सनल स्टाइल इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम दूसरों की देखा देखी में तैयार होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. अरे उसने ये पहना है, मुझे पहनना है, वो शायद आपको सूट कर ही नहीं रहा है. व्हेन आई से कि लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मेरी एज में ऐसा पहनना है या तुम्हारी एज में, एज हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद इट. इट्स योर बॉडी टाइप, इट्स हाउ यू कैरी योर सेल्फ, इट्स हाउ यू बिहेव इन दैट आउटफिट. एज अभी हमने जैसे बात की पहले क्वेश्चन में कि कभी हम ब्लोटेड होते हैं, कभी हम मोटे लग रहे होते हैं, कभी पतले लग रहे होते हैं. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ कि अच्छा इसमें मेरे ये हाईलाइट पॉइंट्स हैं इस आउटफिट के, ये मेरे नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स हैं मेरी बॉडी के. तो हाउ डू आई कम टू अ बैलेंस पॉइंट कि आज मुझे इसको एक्सेंचुएट नहीं करना है. आज मेरा हाईलाइट पॉइंट आउटफिट का ये रहने वाला है. आज मेरी आउटफिट चलो प्रेस नहीं है या मेरे आउटफिट में मेरा टमी बाहर आ रहा है, तो मैं उसको हाईलाइट ना करके एक बड़ा नेक पीस पहन लूं कि मेरा हाईलाइट पॉइंट मेरा नेक पीस हो जाए रादर देन माय टमी.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
So that's how you dress. And I think please I would like to say this ki dress in a way where it reflects your character. When I say character, your inner personality. Don't fall in the trap of भेड़ चाल में जो सब पहन के जा रहे हैं वो नहीं. तुम्हारा खुद का एक अंदाज, एक तुम्हारा खुद का स्टाइल, एक तुम्हारा खुद की एक बात होनी चाहिए तुम्हारे कपड़ों में. फॉलो नहीं करो किसी को.
सही है.
और ये मत सोचो कि अरे इंडियन नहीं पहनना है, इंडियन तो बड़ा पासे लगता है, या ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कभी भी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, लॉट ऑफ वुमेन थिंक कि टू लुक hot and happening you have to wear western clothes, which is not a fact.
Yes.
You can look hot in a sari, you can look hot in an Indian salwar suit. How you carry yourself is what the key to it is.
Yeah. What are the two things that you will tell women in their 40s and 50s to leave behind which they are still clinging to?
Okay. सबसे पहले I think there is no room for the word cute in your dictionary now anymore. We don't want to be known as cute. Why? This obsession of women I see, I'm a part of a lot of WhatsApp groups, and when they address in the WhatsApp groups, they're like, "Hi girls," and GALS, and I'm like, we've experienced so much of life. We are more refined now. We have defined our personalities. We are evolving every day. We talk about evolvement. And what is this obsession with remaining youth forever or a cute girl forever?
Very true.
Why would you want to do that? You are above and beyond the cuteness that you had in your teens or 20s.
सही है. सही है. So, a lot of my women friends and we discuss that once you're like older, and that's one of the reasons we don't like not dye our hair, is men just stop kind of flirting with you or hitting on you. What are your thoughts on that?
Men are mad. They hit at you at any age. They are not going to stop hitting on you regardless. And I'll tell you one more thing. Gray hair or salt and pepper hair, men hit on you more. They do.
Ask your followers.
They do.
So, Geetarsh, as I was growing, there was one Nivea cream and there was a soap. And usse hamari skincare ho jati thi.
Yeah.
Now, when we step into any shop or any mall, there's like 10-step care routine and so many products and prices going up the roof for each of them. So, what is your take on that?
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एक्चुअली जैसे मैं हूँ, जब मैं कभी बाल कटवाने जाती हूँ तो हमेशा मेरा द हेयर ड्रेसर वुड से कि बाल कलर करवा लीजिए, बाल क्यों नहीं कलर करवाते हैं, आप अच्छे लगोगे आप. या मेरे कमेंट्स में आता है you have really you really know how to highlight your flaws or how to flaunt your flaws.
Oh my God.
एंड किसी ने मुझे बोला कि आप 10 साल छोटे लगोगे अगर आप कलर करा लोगे. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि मुझे बीमारी नहीं हुई है कि मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी कलर करने. My worth is not dependent on the beauty product or on the hair color that I'm going to use. That is not defining me. I mean, I think aging is beautiful. It's a very beautiful process.
Yes.
So we should just embrace it.
So, in an age where everyone is clinging to youth, how can we age gracefully?
first thing of aging gracefully is acceptance of who you are, of how you look, how you appear. And the trick is to age so gracefully and make it look so great that everyone is looking forward to it.
So true.
And a lot of friends, a lot of my friends, we joke around and वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि beauty है तू beauty. I said नहीं, मैं beauty हूँ, beauty with a D, which is buddhi and beautiful.
That's really nice. Yeah.